Welcome to Apex Motorhomes. Today I'm traveling in a luxury motorhome. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and stay with me till the end for an amazing tour.
Welcome to Apex Motorhomes, where luxury meets freedom on wheels. Imagine cruising down an endless American highway, the sun dipping behind distant mountains, while your home moves with you. Not a small camper, not a basic RV, but a rolling mansion finished in deep dark green, shining under the golden light of the open road. This is not just travel. This is freedom redefined. Today we're stepping inside something extraordinary. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome, a machine that transforms one of America's most iconic highway trucks into a moving luxury palace. And trust me, once you see what's inside this dark green masterpiece, you may never look at motorhomes the same way again. If freedom on wheels inspires you, and you believe luxury RV living is more than just travel, it's a lifestyle, then you're already part of this journey. Join us and subscribe to Apex Motorhomes, where we explore the future of luxury living on the road. Now let's take a closer look. From the very first glance, the dark green Kenworth T2000 Motorhome commands attention. The design keeps the powerful DNA of the legendary Kenworth truck while elevating it into something far more sophisticated. The long sculpted hood stretches forward like a symbol of authority on the road. A gleaming chrome grille dominates the front fascia, reflecting sunlight like polished armor. Modern LED headlights slice through the darkness with precision, while the aerodynamic body ensures smooth airflow and stability even at highway speeds. Finished in a deep dark green paint, the motorhome feels both bold and elegant. It looks less like a vehicle and more like a luxury estate that just happens to move. But the real magic begins the moment you step inside. As the door opens, you're greeted by an interior that feels closer to a five-star hotel than a truck cabin. Polished wooden floors extend across the living space, reflecting soft ambient lighting that creates a calm, relaxing atmosphere. Premium leather seating surrounds a spacious lounge area, designed for both comfort and conversation. At the touch of a button, the side panels expand outward, instantly transforming the cabin into a surprisingly large living room. Now imagine yourself relaxing here after a long drive through the mountains, watching your favorite movie on a massive 8K entertainment screen while a powerful surround sound system fills the room with cinematic audio. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a home on wheels. And the kitchen? It feels like it belongs in a luxury penthouse. A sleek Italian marble countertop stretches across the cooking space, paired with touch-controlled induction stoves and a large smart refrigerator. A built-in coffee machine prepares your morning espresso while natural wood cabinets add warmth and elegance. Even the dining table is intelligently designed. Crafted from solid wood, it can transform from a dinner space into a workstation or study area with a single touch. Because life on the road shouldn't mean leaving productivity behind. Moving toward the rear, the bedroom reveals another layer of comfort. At the center sits a king-size bed designed for true rest after a long journey. A built-in temperature control system adjusts automatically, keeping the room cool in summer and warm in winter. The walls are fully soundproof, allowing you to sleep peacefully even when parked near busy roads or campsites. Next to the bed, a sleek digital panel lets you control lighting, climate, and window shades with a simple tap. Wake up in the morning, open the shades, and imagine seeing a completely new horizon outside your window. That's the beauty of life on wheels. The bathroom continues the five-star experience. A spacious rain shower creates the feeling of a luxury spa, while heated floors ensure comfort even during cold nights. Smart mirrors display weather updates, navigation information, and even news headlines while you get ready for the day. But luxury means nothing without performance. Underneath its striking dark green exterior, the Kenworth T2000 Motorhome houses a next-generation hybrid turbodiesel engine built for both power and efficiency. This machine was designed to conquer long highways without sacrificing comfort. An advanced air suspension system absorbs road vibrations, creating an incredibly smooth ride. Meanwhile, intelligent driving technologies like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree camera monitoring ensure every mile is safe and stress-free. Even when traveling through remote landscapes, This motorhome keeps you fully connected. The entire system is powered by artificial intelligence, allowing voice commands to control lighting, energy usage, and climate settings throughout the vehicle. Solar panels installed on the roof generate renewable energy, helping the motorhome remain self-sufficient during long off-grid adventures. Satellite internet ensures you can stay connected no matter how far the road takes you. At the rear, a compact garage offers storage space for a motorcycle or a small electric vehicle, perfect for exploring nearby towns once you reach your destination. But one of the most breathtaking features sits above. With a simple mechanism, the rooftop expands into an elevated lounge area. Picture yourself relaxing there at night, surrounded by fresh mountain air, looking up at a sky full of stars. Some versions even include a private rooftop jacuzzi, turning the entire motorhome into a luxury retreat wherever you park. And this is exactly what the Kenworth T2000 represents. Not just a vehicle, but a philosophy. Freedom without limits. When I started Apex Motorhomes, my goal was simple: show you the most incredible future of RV living possible. And machines like this dark green Kenworth prove that the future of travel is already here. This is more than RVs, it's a lifestyle. Every highway becomes your driveway. Every destination becomes your backyard. Every sunrise brings a brand new view outside your window. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 motorhome stands as a masterpiece of engineering, luxury, and imagination. A rolling palace designed for dreamers who refuse to be tied to one place. So imagine yourself behind the wheel of this dark green luxury mansion on wheels, cruising across America with the freedom to stop anywhere the road leads. If you believe freedom should never compromise luxury, join the Apex Motorhomes family. Subscribe, and let's explore the future together.